So I'm gonna try the chicken and waffle. Let's see how that goes. How do I get at this thing? That was really good. Really good. It's got fried leeks, nice maple syrup, and the chicken is seasoned with sage. Waffles are crispy, a little bit of fluff to it. Everything you want in a waffle. Folks, this is Cory approved. Hey, Cory here, Cory Motivation, and we're at Hash A Go-Go.
Hash House A Go-Go
Hash
Rio.
House A Go-Go Rio. And I got Chef Kirk here. Hey, man, tell us a little about that chicken and waffle, man. That thing was delicious.
Andy's sage fried chicken. It's double dip buttermilk. So it's an extra crispy crust. The waffle has bacon inside of it. It's delicious. One of our best sellers. Outstanding.
Hey, I appreciate you, man. Thank you. That was a delicious meal.
Awesome.
And if you're in Vegas, come see Chef Kirk and his team over here, and they will hook you up.
Always a pleasure. Come see us sometime.